life too short to waste. So you're a violent work of art. You keep on acting out in all disgrace. Now reality is catching up with you. Photogenic's what you are. You live in panic when the cam is off and the light goes out. Photogenic, what you are. When the data's gone at the end of the day, you got nothing more to say. Someone told you fame is what you need. Is that the meaning of your life? A lot of fake smiles and leeches on your back. Now reality is catching up with you. Photogenic's what you are. You live in panic when the cam is off and the light goes out. Photogenic's what you are. When the data's gone at the end of the day, you got nothing more to say. It's easy, easy. Vet du Sunday Sound? Då detta är dedicated. Ja! Kom igen! Tack. Så när vi köper en skiva och stödja den här organisationen så får ni gärna göra det. Jag tror man skänker från hjärtat om man köper våran skiva. Så köp den för vad ni vill egentligen. Ska vi säga så eller? Det låter bra. Här kommer Temptations. Silence, I can hear you whisper. I make promises that I know I cannot keep. Patience, you tell me time will tell. How did I get you there too close to me? You tell me that everything will be okay. Why do I still hesitate? You tell me that everything will be the right thing to do in every situation. Love is the game, what game do we play? Life too short, we gotta find a way forward. Before my heart starts beating, you tell me that everything will be okay, but why do I still hesitate? You tell me that everything will be alright. If I know where I'm calling for your help, how did you make me hate myself? Hey! How did you make me hate myself? You tell me that everything will be alright, but why do I still hesitate? You tell me that everything will be alright, but why do I still hesitate? You tell me that everything will be alright. Find a way, I'm calling for your help. How did you make me hate myself? How did you make me hate myself? Jag tycker vi ska ge en stor applåd för Mattias Strömmar här på gitarren. Patrik Persson på gitarr också. Och Ola Tursson på bas. Och bakom hängfukarna, ingen mindre än Marcus Jönsson. Här kommer en låt från vårt första album, sen så släppte vi en EP. Den heter More Than Dead. I hope you burn in hell for what you have done. I hope you cry a river close to the sun. I hope you realize I will never take you back. You said we're so unlike, and it's best for us both. You went behind my back, I hope that it showed. I feel so much anger, I feel so much pain. I'll hope that it's worth every single thing. 'Cause what you said and what you did is impossible to forgive. You were unfaithful with my head. Now I know that our love is more than dead. I hope you burn your wings on the way through the sky, and on your way down you ask yourself why. There's a hole in my heart, I will be okay, but it will take some time. 'Cause what you said and what you did is impossible to forget. You were unfaithful with my head. Now I know that our love is more than dead. It will take some time. It will take some time. It will take some time. helt underbart. Vilken publik. Det var värt att åka ända från Göteborg till det härliga Växjö. Där man bodde i flera år. Nu kör vi en låt som heter Invisible. En lite upptempo-låt. You feel so weak. You wanna be complete. You wanna be someone. Cold. You start feeling old. You start losing control. You don't want to wait. Soon it'll be too late. There's so much. So much that you want to stay. There's so much. Time on the TV screen. You want a picture in a magazine, 'cause that's where you belong. Yeah, king. You would do almost anything to be wanted more than beautiful. You don't want to wait. Soon it'll be too late. There's so much that you wanna say. There's so much. You wonder how it feels to be something more than they can see. There's so much. You don't want to be invisible, invisible. You wonder how you can be. You wonder how you can make them see. It's eating you from inside. You feel so small. Do they care at all? So much that you want to say, and you're trying hard. You wonder how it feels to be something more than they can see. There's so much. You don't want to be invisible. Fan vad gött. Kvällens, eller för oss, kvällens sista låt. Eller kanske vi kör en till, vi får se. Ja! Fan, så var intressant. Tack så mycket. Här kommer i alla fall, vi får se om ni kan röja den här låten. Röja. Här kommer en låt som heter Dedicated. To give it all, it's down on the other side of the wall. Do you know what it takes Tackar. Ska vi köra en sista låt? Ja, vi tar en lugn också. Nej! Ja, fast den blir jävligt ösig i slutet. Ja. Kan du få kramas lite grann också? Ja. Jag heter Paralyzed.
Tack.
Vi heter Sunny Sound. Köp gärna skivor och stöd en god sak.